Go ahead.
Hi, today this is Pete Peterson Health, and the chef today is going to be Dahnaya and Peter.
Okay, and we're making what?
Lemon ice cream.
Yep, we are. We're making lemon ice cream. Now, first thing we're going to put in is stevia. 1 cup.
I like stevia.
Next thing we're going to put in is 1 cup of milk, or you could do almond milk. Good job. You didn't spill any. Good job. Next thing is 1 scoop of protein. This is whey protein, but you could also use pea protein. We'll just put that behind us. Now, I peeled 6 lemons and I blended them and froze them. And this is what we have. So we're going to put the lemons in. You want to put the pieces in? We'll just put 1 piece at a time. And then we'll start this. No, we're going to blend for just a minute first. Power. And let's go with this one.
Do you want me to click on it?
I already did the power, so push on 2. Is it noisy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Next one. Push power.
Power then 2.
Mm-hmm. Okay, last little piece.
Power then 2.
Power then 2. And then 3. Go ahead, do 2.
2.
Oh, push power again.
Power.
2. We have no sugar lemon ice cream. There you go.